Hey y'all, welcome back. So today with this client we are doing like a half and half split dye type of deal. So at the bottom it's going to be purple, at the top it's going to be jet black. So right now I am taking really fine sections and putting them in a foil because I need this to lift as easily as possible, and I am not going all the way to the root. I'm leaving about an inch because like the roots process a lot faster than the ends, so I'm gonna leave that for later. But I'm basically doing like a platinum card application on her so I can get the most even lift so that I don't have to go back and correct later. And I am saturating, so like with this type of application, I don't care how many times I gotta run to the back and refill my bowl. I am saturating because I am not trying to come back and correct everything. With this type of application, you want to get this right the first time, because if you don't, it's gonna make it even more tedious, and it's already tedious because you have to take really fine sections. The reasons you want to take fine sections is one, so that it can lift evenly, and two, when you go back and do the roots, all you gotta do is move each foil, like slide the foil down a little bit and saturate the roots, instead of like taking it off and doing all of that extra work. The thinner it is, the easier it will be to maneuver when you do the roots. After when I get done foiling, I am going to start my top section. So I split it into two, and then I'm gonna add my black. And then after when I'm done adding my black to both my sections, I'm gonna wrap it up into a bun. The reason I'm gonna wrap it up into a bun is because I need to keep the blonde pieces separated from the black. So you're probably like, girl, ain't it gonna bleed through? No, because I'm gonna use some hair saran wrap and foils to keep it separated. So after when I get done applying the black pieces at the top, I'm gonna go back and do the roots, and then I'm gonna let everything process for about 30-ish minutes. You probably have another question. Emily, how you are not gonna get like the blonde and black like meshed together? Like, how is it not gonna bleed through? I already thought about that when I was doing this, because I'm like, you gotta work smarter, not harder. So I kept the black pieces in a bun, and I rinsed out the blonde completely, made sure the bleach was all out. And then after I'm done rinsing it out and everything and towel dried, I put it into a braid. And the way how my salon sinks are set up, there are like little suction things that are on the sink that support the neck, and I basically tucked those blonde pieces under there. And then I kept like the front blonde pieces in a braid too as well, and kept them like in the front. And I did put like a little bit of conditioner so that water didn't like leak through, just in case if it did, so it doesn't bleed. Then I rinsed out the black until it was clear. I mean, I was at the wash bowl for a little minute because I wanted to make sure when I put that purple in, none of that black bleeds into the purple. Does that make sense? Okay, hope that made sense. Sorry, y'all, I'm gonna keep it real. I did not have any videos of me adding purple. My phone's about to die. Girl, y'all won't believe how long this this took almost 4.5 hours, and I cut it down to 8 minutes. That's crazy. Crazy. But with the haircut, we just took off 2 inches, and then we added some face furrowing layers that were to the chin. And then after that, I will blow dry her. I pretty much use the same products always. I think with her, I only use the Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Oil Primer. Great heat protectant. She has like curly hair, so that's why I just used that. I really didn't feel like I needed any like holding agent or anything, because I know it was gonna hold a curl. And then after, when I curled her up, I used the medium hairspray by Davinus. It smells like a bakery. It smells so good. So if y'all ever have a chance to try new hairspray, definitely try out Davinus. The dye that I used for the purple is from Pulp Riot, and the 3 colors that I used was Deviant, Violet, and a little bit of Elixir, and that's how we achieved the purple, if anybody was wondering. Hold on, do y'all see how good that purple looks? That looks so good. And like, sometimes y'all, when I do long services, sometimes I don't trust the process. I stop believing. I literally check out, because it takes like all the wind power in me when I have like long appointments. I do love them. I do prefer them, but it does take it out of me in the end. But looking back at this now, it's been a couple months. This video is old, but this looks good. I did such a good job. Her hair is still shiny, good, in good health, and I love this. I would do this again. I just hope, I want to do like a red or maybe like a copper. I would love to see that. I'm gonna add a seamless plug here, but if y'all want your hair done by me, I am in like the Ann Arbor area, and feel free to hit me up on Instagram. My link is in the bio. These are the end results. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, bye.